because we always forget to record when we're playing with the drums. Anyway, so yeah, man, here's another song for you. And it's called Splinters. So here we go. Another one from the drum kit live. One take. I thought I caught the one just before I did this video. It was pretty awesome, like freestyle in there. Right, you get one, and then you go to record it, and then it's gone. But you know what, dude? That's why you do it live. You do it live. And when you're on stage, is when the magic just really just pop, because, you know, fucking anyway, alright, so that was Splinters. One take drums, live for the second time. With the bass. I'm gonna go play it back and see what is up. Maybe upload this to the internet. Laters.